only one side it's only going up and it's coming. And yes, sir.
Okay. And have you attached the propeller with the name on top? I told you that letter which is written A and B, that should be facing towards up.
Sir, I put A2 when I replaced A2 like another A with another A2. There's one A2 and two B2s.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think all three propellers should be same. Sorry?
So what will be doing today's class?
Today we will
because I had a drone which had 4 propellers, 4 micro DC motors. My father took out the propellers and the motors from that drone. So 2 go anti-clockwise and 1 goes clockwise. 2 go.
But here in tricopter, all three will rotate in a clockwise direction only. Either clockwise or anti-clockwise.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So what will be doing in today's class?
Today we have Sanjeev sir with us today. So he will be teaching how to build a F450 quadcopter.
Okay, sir.
Have you remember the Sanjeev sir? I mentioned that he is working with Indigo Airlines in Bangalore International Airport.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have him today.
Sir, what should I do? You saw my video, yeah?
Sorry, Mohammed, come again.
Sir, you saw my video, yeah? What should I do?
Yeah, I saw. It's really good. But it is not flying, right?
Yeah, sir.
Turn on it.
Can I just show you how it's fly?
Sir, can I connect
1 minute, 1 minute.
battery?
9 volts battery, we don't get much power with that. Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Remove the propellers and what is written on the propeller? Can you tell me which letter is mentioned?
All the A's are facing above, sir. It's written A here.
A.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which side's motor is rotating?
Which side?
Yeah, which side, which direction the motor is rotating? Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. Anti-clockwise. That means you have to add B propellers. The propellers which is written B on that.
Sir, there's no propeller named B, sir.
You don't have any extra propellers?
No, sir.
Or else remove the connection where you are giving, okay, and inverse that.
Okay. I don't understand, sir. How?
Remove the 2 wires which you are connecting to the charger.
Remove 2 wires.
Not there. To the charger, laptop charger. There. And now insert the other wire which you are attaching from the outside.
Sir, it's parked now.
Sorry?
It's parked right now, sir. It's parked. Sir, it's flying, sir. It's flying.
It's flying, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Sir, is Sanju sir from...
Sir, I should also do like that.
Yes.
Sir, but my drone speed is it's so fast.
Yeah, it will be fast, but that's why we have to use a straw like this. Okay, just keep the straw in the middle.
Sir, I did that. You saw in the video.
Yeah, it will be fast because the power is more, right?
Yes, sir.
That's the reason. Okay, it's fine, no problem, even if it is fast.
Sir, so I should put yellow wire on in the charger.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Let me. Afterwards, let me. When my mom will come, I will tell her because the current is coming. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Yes, Uncle, you are asking something.
Sir, is Sanju sir from Karnataka?
Yeah, he is from Bangalore.
Sir, do Sanju sir know Hindi?
Yeah, he do speak Hindi
Miss.
well than me. He's good at Hindi better than me.
Then I will talk Hindi only.
Yeah, Sanjeev sir is here. Say hi to him.
Hi, sir.
Hi, good evening.
Yeah, there he is.
Yeah.
Let me pin him.
So, sir will brief you the class today. Okay.
Don't teach.
Guys, you don't have any doubt with yesterday's model, right? With this
No, sir.
model. Okay, then Sanjeev sir will take over the class from here. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
can I connect 9V battery?
Sorry.
Can I connect 9V battery?
9 battery you can connect there, but we don't get much power with that battery. If you
So
want to lift
Sanjeev
that
sir have
drone,
a big, large wing.
yes, yes, we are going to make a big drone today.
Wow!
Yes, and
It
Ashik,
connection also, yeah. We can
yeah,
stick
just a
it
minute,
and
just a minute, Mohammed. Ashik,
Yes, sir.
you don't have a laptop charger?
I have, but it is like this USB
Oh,
charger.
that will be not good to connect. It's okay when you get it, then you fly it. Okay, we
Okay,
can't
sir.
fly with that wire, that charger. Okay, Sanjeev
sir,
sir.
is it the remote control drone?
Yes.
Yeah, it is a remote controlled drone. So
Oh,
everyone just pin to Cam Drone Tech.
I pin it.
Yeah,
drone teach, yeah.
Drone Tech.
Yes, don't. So the table is visible, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. So shall we start? Or do you have any doubts for yesterday model what we have done?
No, sir, I don't have doubts.
Okay. So I hope
Good evening, sir.
everyone's model is
Good
flying now.
evening.
Okay. So today we are going to build F450 drone like this. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So we are gonna build this type of drone.
Sir, how to build this? I don't have the large propellers.
No, just
Guys,
I'll
that material we have not given, okay, because it's very expensive, it's bit expensive, and you can't get the materials easily as of now in COVID situation.
Then, sir, how will we make it?
Anyway, we will be having a recorded video, right? So that you can do it later.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you just carefully watch how to build it step by step. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys, carry on.
okay, guys. So before building a drone, what we need? Any idea?
Propellers?
Yes, propeller,
Motor,
motor,
batteries, battery, wires,
yes, wire.
Arduino.
Arduino not required. Like yes, we can use Arduino, but most probably we will not use Arduino. Instead of Arduino, we will use flight controller. Anything else? You can see here. You can see here and tell. Everything is there.
Camera, recorder, receiver,
Yes, receiver.
recorders,
Recorder.
DC motor.
Sir, camera. Sir, camera. Sir, camera.
DC motor.
Yes,
Sir, sensor.
yes,
Sir,
yes.
camera.
Sir, sensor.
Yes, yes, guys. If you are using camera, you require camera or else not required. And the sensor part, I will tell you,
इसका ये अकेला बैठा है
required, but it's not separate.
Or what?
Yes.
So we are making a drone today.
I'll show you how to make a drone today. You people will not make because you don't have materials. We have not advised. But I'll show you what all components we use and how to build a drone. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'll step by step, I'll show you the materials what we require. Can you see this?
Sir,
Yeah, what is this?
big DC motor.
Yes, it is a DC motor, but in DC motor also there are two kind of DC motors. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can any one of you differentiate it? What is the difference?
The
between this
big,
motor?
The big
giant
motor.
is used
yeah
for
it is there now we have this motor
Okay. You people, you guys have seen this kind of motors, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Have you seen inside what it is there?
Yes,
Have
sir.
you opened it?
No, sir. I can see a pin is there which moves.
Okay, I'll open it and show you today. But before that, I'll just tell you what is the difference between these two motors. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this motor is called as DC brushless motor.
DC brushless motor.
Yes, sir.
Yes, DC brushless motor. To build a drone, we require DC brushless motor. Okay. And this is also DC motor, but this is brushed motor. Yes.
Sir, it is a normal motor which can be found in the remote control cars.
Yes, remote control toys, or you can also see in the shaving trimmer. So in that we use this kind of motors. Okay, so I'll tell you what is the difference. The DC brushless motor, we can control the speed. Okay. In this motor, can you control the speed?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. It depends. You have to change the batteries volts if you want to change.
Yes, exactly. If the we change the voltage, the speed of the motor get decrease or increase. But in this brushless motor, we can control the speed as per our convenient and as per our requirement. Okay. So I'll show you what is the difference between this motor, these both motor. You guys have seen this kind of motors, right?
Yes, sir.
And
The speed.
you have also seen the rotation of this motor.
Yes, sir.
Only this pin will rotate, right?
your camera?
Sorry?
Move your camera?
Now?
Sir. Okay.
Guys, just pin to cam drone tech, okay? Don't pin to cam Sanjeev, okay? Pin to drone tech.
Yes, guys, pin it to drone tech.
Yes, sir.
Done. Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
read this app मुझे
So guys, you have seen the rotation of these kind of motors, right? Only
Yes,
this
sir.
will
Yes,
rotate.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen this body? It will rotate or it will be fixed. This body, outer body,
Yes, sir.
it will be fixed. But in this DC brushless motor, these both are DC brushless motor. See, I'm rotating it. I'm holding the bottom part. and I'm rotating it. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
We fix.
The outer body is rotating. This one is rotating. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
DC motor, the pin is rotating.
Yes, in DC motor, the pin will rotate. I'll open and show you. So once we open the DC motor, it will be like this.
Okay, sir.
And this is the one which rotate inside in the normal DC motor. So this is the brushed DC motor. You guys can see inside there is a magnet.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, how
Yes, sir. I
many?
can see the round magnet.
Yes, how many magnets you can see?
One only.
No, you just see there is a two
Two.
magnet.
Yes, two.
There's
One
one that's
one on the.
surrounds the circle. There's like the
Yes, yes,
circle
we
one
have
inside and
two
then
DC
another
motors.
one.
Sorry, we have two magnets. So in brushed motor, what happened? This is called armature, guys. This is called armature. Okay. So in this, what happened? The armature rotates. You can see the rotation now inside. So once we give the power, the armature will rotate inside.
Yes, sir. Sir.
I'll show you the brushless motor. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. The gold.
Yes.
That
So in this,
four circle.
yes, this is the armature in this.
Okay,
And
sir.
inside, can you see the magnets?
Yes, sir. There are 4 magnets.
I'll.
There are many.
Yes.
There are very many. Like
Sir,
they
there
are
are
like
many.
steel.
Yes, they are like steel bars, small, and there are many. Okay, so in this kind of
To
motor,
the steel bar magnets,
yes,
the steel bar magnets attached to the backside and then they rotate the whole thing.
yes, exactly. So in this kind of motor, what happened? See, the armature will be fixed and the outer body will rotate. This one will be rotating and this one will be fixed. Okay. Once I close it, see the rotation, the outer body is rotating. You can see, right?
Bars.
Yes. So always we use brushless DC motor because we can control the speed. You can see there is a wire connection here.
Yes, sir.
How many wires are there?
3.
3. In this kind of motors, how many wires you require?
Sir.
0.
No,
Yes,
not 0. Like yesterday you did.
2 or 3.
Okay. In
There
this
is
kind of motor, we require
required
only
to-
two.
Then we require
Only
Two, sir.
Yes, we
2
require
or 3.
Yes, not 3. Like in this motor, I'm asking this one.
Yes.
Two.
2. Yes, in this we require 2, and that is one is positive and one is negative, right?
Yes, sir. Plus and minus.
In this, how many we have?
3
Three.
wires.
So any idea why do we have 3?
To
Don't know.
control the speed.
3. 2 are negative and positive, and one is to.
Okay, no, it's not earth wire. As Sankalp said, one is positive, one is negative, and one is to control the speed. Okay, so we have 3 wires in this. So to connect this to the battery, we require some other object, right? Because one is positive, one is negative, and one is to control the speed. So any idea how we will connect it?
do you know which is to control the speed?
I'll tell you that. Okay. So this is this is ESC. We call it as ESC, electronic speed controller.
Control the speed.
Sir, can we build a top copter?
Can we build?
What we are building, I don't know the name properly.
Okay, this is quadcopter.
Quadcopter. Can you show the quadcopter?
Yes, 1 minute, I'll show you. You can see here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the quadcopter.
Sir, this is the one we are going to make now, right?
Yes, but before building it, we should know the components also, right? Like what and all components we require.
Sir, we don't have the big propellers and the brushless motor.
Okay, fine, not a problem. You guys are not going to build it. Just you have a look and just learn what and all require.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first one, what we require is motor, right? DC brushless motor.
Yes.
And the second one is electronic speed controller.
Yes.
So this is called as electronic speed controller, which is called as ESC in short form. Electronic speed controller.
Electronic speed controller.
Yes. So in this also you can see right here we have 3 wires.
Yes, sir.
So, sir, to control so that you can put all the 3.
Yes, exactly, Sankalp. The motor wire which we have 3 wires that
Yes,
will
sir.
go.
To put inside the blue wires and the 3 wires to put for the controlling the speed.
Yes, exactly. We will connect it like this. You can put any pin to anyone. There is nothing to worry about which pin should go in which wire. Okay. We will connect it like this. And on the other end, can you see how many wires we have?
Wires inside.
Sir, I joined. So can you tell me everything from the beginning, yourself, and based in another class?
Okay. So we are going to build a quadcopter today, F450. It looks like this.
Okay, sir.
So to build this quadcopter, we require materials. So what and all materials we require? I just read. The first component what we require is brushless DC motor. Okay. Yes, that is DC brushed motor, which is this one which you are showing. But to build a drone, we require brushless DC motor. It looks like this. You can see here. We have not informed you to take the motors or any materials. So have a look. Don't worry.
What's that?
This is brushless DC motor.
What's that in your other hand?
Both are brushless DC motor. Same. The colors are different.
We don't have it to see.
Okay. And the next, what we require is electronic speed controller, ESC. It looks like this. It has.
And do you have 2 ESC?
Yes, we required 4 ESC to build a drone. Because how many motors we will use?
Did you told to bring all this stuff?
So you told to bring all this stuff?
No. We have not said you to take this all stuff because it is too costly and now it is not easily available in the market because of COVID situation. So just have a look. What and all components we require to build. Okay. So How many motors we require to build a drone? You can see here.
4.
Yes, 4.
4.
For 4 motors, we require 4 ESC also. Each and every ESC will be connected to single motors. Okay.
So how many DC motors we use, that many speed motors should we have?
Yes, like how many brushless motor you are using, that many ESC also we have to use.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The same way how many, like 4 motors, 4 propellers, right?
Yes, sir. Because everything is 4.
Yes, exactly. So the connection I showed you, right? How to connect it here.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
the next part is other side. Can you see here? We have 2 normal wire and 1 more wire which has a pin.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's speed controlling wire.
Yes. So these both will go to batteries. Okay. The black one is negative and the red one is positive. Okay.
Okay, that's like kind of like a pattern for circuits.
Yes. And this wire, the one which we have extra here. Can you see?
Yeah.
So this will go to receiver. So to control the drone, what we require? Receiver and controller, right?
Yeah.
To operate, we use controller. So this is the controller. We have 2 types of controller. So can you differentiate it? What all the difference are in these both?
This looks like a box. Have a camera.
Red controller board has a little screen and another one. And sir, in your right hand, which is sir, you are holding in the right hand. And sir, you are holding in the right hand. It has a screen, and you are holding at the left hand. It don't have a screen.
Say
Yes.
in the this right hand one, it's have a camera. Another one have a sensor.
Oh no, not camera, not sensor. See, in this one we have display here.
You can track the height and speed of the drone.
Yes, exactly. In this we can monitor the speed, and if we are using GPS, we can also monitor the location of the drone. And in this controller, what we have to do is just we can operate it, but we can't see the location. Just we have to see through our eyes. Okay. So this controller doesn't have display. So once we give a command to this controller, in the drone there should be something, right, to receive that.
Yeah,
Yes, so the receiver will be in the drone, fixed in the drone. And as I showed you, we have 1 wire extra here, right? The pin 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that one we will connect it to the receiver. Okay.
Okay.
So in the receiver, can you see CH1, CH2, CH3, CH4?
No, sir, it's
No. No, sir.
Okay, 1 minute, I'll show you. I'll share you the screen.
Sir,
when
can you use the screen one controller?
Yes, we can use the both.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is the name of the drone which we are building?
Quadcopter F450.
Quadcopter F450.
Okay, in this can you see?
Sir, are we going to build a drone?
yes,
Yes, sir. In this can you see CH1, CH2, CH3?
Yes, sir.
It stands for chisel.
Sorry, it stands for?
Yes, sir.
So what does it stand for?
Okay.
Channel 1, channel 2.
Yes, exactly. It stands for channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, channel 6. So we can use up to 6 motors in this receiver.
So was it bat one?
Sir,
Bat.
sir, it is used in TV
Bat.
also. battery.
No, that one is for not battery. Like once we purchase a new controller and receiver, these both comes together. Okay, so we have to bind it. So for binding purpose, we use bat. But here we don't need to bind every time. Just the first time when we purchase from the shop, the shopkeeper will. Huh?
It is used in TV also.
No, it's not used in TV.
Okay. Sir, approximately how much will this cost?
Approximately, it will cost you around 10,000 for all the materials in India. Out of India, I don't know.
In UAE?
In UAE, sorry, brother, I
You have to
can't.
divide it by 20.
Like it depends on the price, and like majority of the products are from China, so it depends on the taxes how much they apply over there. So I can't say the exact price, but in India it costs from 10 to 12,000 for all these materials. Okay, so what we will do, so this is the first motor, right? So where will I connect this? In which channel will I connect?
1.
Yes, exactly. In channel 1, I'll connect it. Okay. So in this, we have 3 color wire. You can see that also, right? 3 color. Guys, you can see right? The 3 color wire.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So can anyone tell me the colors of the wire?
Red, orange, and black.
Sir, yellow, red and black.
Red, yellow, and that is not black, brown. Okay.
Red and brown.
Or red, brown, and yellow. It might be orange also for you because you are seeing in the camera, but it is yellow. Okay. So yellow one is used for signal purpose. Like this 3 wire has different purposes. The red one is positive, the brown one is negative, and the yellow one is signal. Okay.
Okay.
So I'll share you the screen once again so you can have a look. Here, can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What you can see over here?
Red circle.
Recording sign and minus sign and red.
Okay, I'll tell you. This one you can
It's
see.
plus and minus.
Okay.
Sir. Plus and minus.
Yes, see, this one is minus. Okay. This one in the middle is plus. And here you can see there is a red round mark.
Signal.
That is signal. Okay. That indicates here we have 3 pin, right? 3 pin each.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That indicates like this pin is negative, the middle one is positive, and this side, the left side last pin is for signal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I have a subject and test thing from my school, which is gonna start now. So, can I leave? Is it okay?
Okay, fine, no problem.
This session will be sent on group, right?
Yes, we'll send the recording.
Sir, is it necessary to buy this?
Yes.
Sir, is it necessary to buy this pack?
No, it's not necessary. Like in future, if you want to build a drone, you should have the knowledge, right? So what and all required to build?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So 4 motors, each motors will go to channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. Okay. So in the quadcopter F450, we will use only 4 motors. So we require only 4 motors, 4 ESC, and we'll use only till CH4 in the receiver. Apart from that, we need one more main thing. You can see over here.
Yes, sir.
This is called flight controller.
Okay.
Okay.
Basically, sir, the yellow thing connects the motor to the channel.
This one.
Yeah, it's like a wire type connection thing.
This one you're asking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is called ESC, electronic speed controller. So this
So it
will
basically
connect,
connects the motor to the channels.
yes, it basically connects the motor to the channel, and with the help of the ESC only we can control the speed of this motor.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so once you give the command in the controller, like see, this is the throttle, and once you start giving throttle, slowly this will give command to the receiver, and the receiver will take command, and with this you can see this is connected, right? This pin, with that, with the help of that, it will give command to the electronic speed controller, and this electronic speed controller will give power to the motor. So with that it will rotate. So as much as throttle we give, the speed controller, the electronic speed controller will give more power to the motor, so that it will increase or decrease the speed. Okay.
Can we
Okay,
build
sir. Thank you. Pina.
Come again.
Can you start building Chopcopter?
Yes, I'll start it. So the main part what we require to build a drone is flight controller. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Somebody
Sir,
said me,
when
right,
we
we need,
will be big, then we will make.
yes, I'll start now. Just this one part I'll explain it. So one of you friends said that we will be using sensor, we will be using Arduino, right?
I say sensor.
Yes. So in this there will be a sensor. Okay. And you guys have seen, right, that we can connect camera, we can connect GPS in the drone.
Yes, sir. I heard.
Yes, with the help of this flight controller only we can connect all those things. You can see the ports over here, white ports here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, one will go for camera, one will go for GPS. This
Sir,
one
can
again,
you connect the GPS?
yes, I'll connect it and show you. Before that, I'll start with the building of the drone.
Okay, sir.
So you guys can see the body right here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll show you this bottom part. Can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll share the screen. 1 minute. Okay, it looks like this exactly, right?
Yeah, almost like a watch.
Yes. So here can you see there is a soldering of all the wires?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
they are showing positive and negative.
Yes, exactly. Here you can see it also shows positive and negative. The same way here we have done. Positive stands for
What is it called?
this one, power distribution board.
Sir, come again.
Power distribution board. This distributes the power to all the motors equally. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So like yesterday you people build
Drone which uses our laptop chargers.
yes. So in that, all those three motors, how did you connect it?
Wires.
Like wires, all three motors wire you connected to the battery directly, right?
No, sir.
No,
Then?
sir.
Sir, we connected first.
We interconnected them.
Yes, you interconnected them. The same way here we need to interconnect it, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we have done to make it easy, in the power distribution board, all the motors ESC has been soldered here, and there is one more wire extra. You can see here this one.
Yes, sir.
This one
Yes,
we
sir.
will use to connect the battery. So this one wire will get connected to the battery, and with the help of this, all the motors will get power. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is called power distribution board.
Yes, sir.
And these are the arms of the drone.
So what is it called?
This one,
Yes, sir.
arms of the drone. ARM, arm.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here you can see, right? There is a 4 spot.
Yes, sir.
To fitting the motor.
Yes, we will fix the motor over here, and we will backside. You can see here. We can just
We
put the
will
screw and
tighten the
tighten.
screw.
Yes, you can see in this
Yes, sir.
Sir.
how we have done. So it will be fixed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And again, it is connected to what? What is this called as?
Electrical CH. EB. Sir, it is known as the electric speed controller.
Electronic speed controller. ESC. Okay. So this is connected to the motor. So now what we have to do is we have to just fix this with the help of screw. I'll just show you. Okay. So what we will do is we will just rotate the drone like this. Over here, right? We have holes, two holes in each.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what we will do is just we will fix the arm to this power distribution board.
Okay, sir.
To be properly holded.
Come again?
And it will be properly holded.
Yes, so that it will be properly holded. We will just tighten it all. And guys, while putting this, we have to be careful that
And what bolt is that?
this one.
No, what bolt? What bolt?
How much volts do we need to power this?
Acha, volts you're asking. We
Not
need
bolt, sir. Bolt.
bolt.
Screw.
You're asking about the bolt inside which we are using in this.
No, sir. The screw.
Acha, screw. It will come with the arms only. This is the arms, right? It will come with these arms only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So no need to buy separately, or no need to ask like shopkeeper to give the separate bolts. It will come along with the arms.
Sir, how much power, how much volt?
Sankalp, your audio is muted, and you're asking about how much power required, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Like we are using 4 motors, so we require only 11 volts battery.
Okay, sir.
And in drone, what kind of battery we use? Do you guys know?
No. This battery?
No. Have you heard?
The cylinder battery?
Okay. Have you heard about lithium polymer battery?
No.
Sir.
I'll
No,
show you.
sir.
Can you see this?
Yes, sir. It's a big battery.
Sir, like these are used in some Nerf guns.
Sir, is it called lithium?
Lithium polymer battery.
So how many volts?
Wait, sir, why is it called lithium? Isn't lithium one of the elements on the periodic table?
Yes, we use like to construct this battery. They use lithium. And have you guys seen rechargeable batteries, like normal rechargeable batteries?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I have
sir,
this
I
in
have
the
seen
guns.
Sir, I have seen. I have a drone. In that same like this, there's a battery.
Okay, so in the rechargeable battery, have you ever seen the description
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
you will get a wire with it. You can connect it to the plug and then you can connect it to the charger.
Yes. The lithium batteries are all rechargeable batteries, okay? Like this battery in Indian INR, it costs around 1000 rupees. So if this battery is non-rechargeable, will you buy battery each and every time to fly a drone?
No.
Yes. For that purpose, we use rechargeable battery, and rechargeable batteries are lithium batteries, okay? All the rechargeable batteries are lithium batteries.
Sir, like this?
Wait, sir, what you're
Yes,
doing
exactly.
when I was taking up the white and
I
red
think
stuff,
Shankar
whatever
showed
that
is the
is.
holder of the battery, right?
Sorry?
What Shankar showed is a holder, right?
He showed the holder along with the battery. Sankalp, show it once again, no, to everyone.
Sir, I'll show the battery and the charger.
Yes, show it, no.
Nice is not only reading.
Okay, guys. So see, I have fixed all the screws to the arm.
Sir, Sankal, bring the battery.
He will get it. He will get it. So you guys, can you see? I have fixed this all screws.
Okay, sir.
Now I'll just rotate it. So once I rotate it, can you see here how it looks?
No, I didn't see how you rotate it.
Like it was like this back side. Just I rotated towards. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here also we need something, right? Because see,
It's bending down.
it's bending down.
Yes, sir.
So once we start
It can easily broke.
yes, once we start the drone to fly, what will happen? It will easily break. Okay. So we will, with the help of these, like while purchasing these arms, we will get one more top body of the drone. This
Okay,
one.
sir.
So you have to just screw it in.
Again, same thing, just we have to screw it like this. Just
Sir.
put it and we have to screw it. Okay, Sankal, show the battery and the charger. No? You got
Sir,
it?
you show it.
Sir, I put it the battery inside the charger. You have to just put it to a phone, this edge to the phone charger, then it will charge.
Okay. So Sankalp, can you just read out the description, what it is written on the battery? You can see there will be some description on the battery.
Sir, I bought it from IKEA, so the brands are in Spanish, but it wrote Lada.
Okay.
Lada 1000.
So do
No, no, sir. Now it's written NIM-MH.
Okay. Come again. What it has written?
It has written NI-MH.
Okay. Can you see here what it has written? If you can read.
It's blur.
It's blurry. No, it's not. I can't read this, sir. It's not too much. I can see.
Sir, it's written Li poly RC battery.
Yes. So what is Li stands for?
Lithium.
Yes, exactly. So that is written in the Spanish, so I don't know, but all the rechargeable batteries are lithium battery, okay?
Sir, I also talk Hindi.
Yes, Mohammed, you texted, I saw that. So I don't think so everyone knows Hindi here.
Sir, even this is a battery charger, right?
Yes, that is a battery charger.
Yes.
Okay guys, so I have fixed the top body of the drone also. So now you can see how it looks.
Yes, sir.
No, sir, I can't see.
Just you can see on the table.
Sir
what
is fitting the screw. Yeah, I can see that, sir.
Yes. So now can you see? Is it bending now? See,
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
it's not
Only
bending.
a
So
bit.
now it is not bending. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what? From where this pin has come? This all 4 pins.
From the motor. Brushless
From the
motor.
motor, but the motor is not directly.
It's coming from.
E.
It's coming from the
Electricity.
Yes, it's coming from the electronic speed controller. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now just I'll connect this one motor to CH1. I have connected like this. We'll start this one single motor.
Yes, sir.
I'll start it. Okay. Just have a look.
Sir, the receiver is glowing red.
Yes, see.
It's on.
Can you hear the noise of the motors?
Yes, sir.
No,
It's
sir.
making
No,
ping
sir, I
pong.
cannot hear.
It's saying
I
beep.
can hear the TT sound.
Yes, beeping sound. Beeping sound you can hear, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll. Can you see the light in the receiver?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is red light.
Where? It's not coming now. So see, this is the controller, right?
Yes, sir.
If I on the
Sir, can
controller,
you use the screen one?
if I on the
Now it's
controller,
coming the light. The receiver, I can see the light. Now it went.
Sir, can you use the controller which has a screen?
yes, I'll use that. Okay, so I'll just show the wiring of this, and then I'll on that, and we'll on the drone also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, first you have to put the propellers.
Sir, you use the receiver only one time, right?
Yes. Okay. So I said you right. What is this called as?
Controller board.
No.
Controller.
Flight control.
Yes, flight controller.
Controller.
Right controller.
Yes. So what we will do is,
Sir, is the flight controller in the plane also?
yes, exactly. In the real plane you are asking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, in the real plane, have you seen the cockpit?
Yes, sir, I see.
No, sir.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Just 1 minute.
I see one time when I was going to India.
Okay, I'll show you the cockpit. 1 second. In the see, this is the cockpit.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In this, can you see these many systems are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Some track the location and some track the altitude and also the way how it's flying.
One of them, sir. Sir, the one which is in this from the right side, second last, that is for landing. That is used for landing, sir.
Okay, you are saying about this one?
Not this, sir. The right one, the second last one. It will guide this. Sir.
This one?
Yes, sir. That one.
Yes, exactly. This is used for guiding, like it will guide the direction as well as at the time
On
of
which
landing, it will
area?
be used.
Sir, there are some sensors at the side of the runway, sir.
Yes, that
Sir,
is, that is called instrument landing system, the sensor which is at the edge of the runways.
Yes, sir.
sir, pilot use
Sir,
GPS.
and in between there's nothing allowed, sir. In between the sensors.
Sir, in the real flight, we would have little more bigger than the sensors we are using now. Or it will
Like,
be the same size.
no, there will be bigger size. This is for small drone, but for flights there will be big sensors, and there are many big instruments which we can't even imagine. Like, you have seen only the inside of the aircraft, right?
Plane.
Yeah,
Sir,
We only saw the
Pilot-
exterior, but we can't
Sir.
see the interior.
yes,
sir,
exactly.
pilots use GPS to travel one place to another.
No, they don't use GPS. GPS is used by ATC to find the location of the flight,
Okay,
but mostly they will use navigation system.
okay.
Okay, so see guys, what we
Sir,
will
the
do.
plane is flying over the water, yeah? The ocean.
Yes, for emergency landing they will use emergency landing.
I don't know how they will do emergency landing in the water.
Yes, exactly. Emergency landing, they'll do it in the water or open field. If there is no nearby runway, then only they will land there. Or if there is any nearby runway, then they'll directly land on the runway.
Okay, sir.
So you can continue.
Okay, guys. So see, this flight controller, we have to place it exactly at the center of the drone. Okay. You can
So
place
why?
because this has sensor, right?
Yes, sir.
And this also has a calibrator.
What is a calibrator called?
I'll
Sir,
show you.
what is a calibrator? What is a calibrator?
I'll show you 1 minute. Just give me. Okay. And this flight controller we can connect to the computer.
Sir, can you connect and show it?
Sir, you have to place it in the exact center so that you can locate the exact. You can locate the exact place of the drone.
No. See, we are using 4 motors, right? 4 different motors.
Yes, sir.
We are giving command, but will all these 4 motors will rotate at the same speed?
No, sir.
There will be some little bit of speed variation, right?
Yes, sir.
So this what it will do, it will sense that speed. If suppose, see, these both motor are very fast and these both motor are very slow,
Then it would just do a nosedive.
yes. So what this flight controller will do,
It will equal the speed.
yes, this will guide this both motor to either slow down or it will guide this both motor to speed up. Okay.
Sir, where will we connect the flight controller?
Flight controller also we will connect it to the receiver only. You can see this receiver.
Yes, sir.
That will also be connected to the receiver. You can see the pins over here.
Yes, sir.
So all the pins, like I'll show you. Here we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins we have.
Yes, sir.
And
So
how
you
many
can
channels
connect
we have? How many
6.
channels we have here?
6.
6. So what we'll do is, in this, can you see one wire has 3 wire? Like this pin has 3 wire.
Yes, sir.
But what about the remaining ports? You can see how many wires does this port have?
1.
Sir, we can't see your video. Your video's off.
1 minute.
This video is on.
So we can see your video. Your video's on.
No, his video's off.
On.
Can you see how many wires are there?
Drone test.
Yes, sir.
Your video's off.
In drone tech, not the
We need to
other
drop
one.
it, no?
So one wire.
Yes.
Then
Each has 3 wire remaining, all has one wire, okay? So the one which has 3 wire, that will get connected to channel number 1.
Okay, sir.
And the remaining which has single wire, just you have to connect it randomly, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, like that, okay?
Okay, sir.
So I'll just connect it.
thousand to 12,000.
Sir, what is mean by bat? Which is the
Bat is for connecting the receiver to the controller, this controller. So while buying from the shop, the shopkeeper will bind it and give. So no need to worry about that. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. So can you see this? Now we have connected the flight controller to the receiver.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir, we
what
have
about these 4 wires which we have from the motor, which is coming from the motor?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we need to connect it to the battery.
Connected to the DC motor itself.
You can see
Connected to the
flight
DC
controller,
motor.
there are pins. On the flight controller, you can see the pins.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here you can see the pins.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the black,
There is one pin only.
No, I'll show you the flight controller picture. Then you just let me know how many.
There are many.
There are 2 only.
There are 6.
Sir,
6 ones.
sir, there are total 12, sir. 12.
I'll show you 1 minute, guys.
No. Yep.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Sir, the
these
before one.
are- Okay, it's not available in that picture. Here you can see now pins.
Sir, there are total 12 pins, sir. Now it's clear, sir. Now
Okay.
it is.
It's not total 12, it's 18 pins.
Yeah, sir, it's 18 pins. Now I finish counting.
Yes, it's 18 pins. So what we have to do is each one, like this is fixed in the center right here. The flight controller is in the
Sir,
center.
what will
Yes,
we
sir.
use to fix it? What will we use to fix it?
We can use the double side tape. I'll show you. We can use this kind of double side tape.
So
which-
cello tape also we can use for that.
No, cello tape we can't use because that is not double side. See, this is like we can stick both the sides. So it will get stick like this. See, it's not falling.
Ooh. Sir, with hot glue gun.
Yes, you can use hot glue gun. Okay, so
Okay,
what we
sir.
will do is these ESC pins are there, no?
Sir, can you fit the GPS?
Right now GPS is not here. Just let me finish this. I'll get it.
Okay, sir.
So what we
Sir,
will
how
do?
are you connecting it? Where should we connect randomly?
Like from any side, from any one side, you have to start connecting it. Okay. So total 18 pin means we have only 4 motors. So we will be using only 12 pins. Remaining.
Sir, in line? In
Yes,
a
in
straight
line.
line? In a
line.
straight line?
In a straight line, yes, exactly. Like this, you can see now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Or else I will show in this one also. You can see. You can see it's in a single line.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
sir,
Okay, so once we connect it, now it is done. It's not ready to fly, but our drone is almost ready.
You have to just put the battery and
Propeller.
and the propellers
No,
and the claws too.
we have to set up this flight controller too. Okay, so how to set up, I'll just show you. I'll just connect the flight controller to the computer. Just 1 minute.
Sir, can we connect the flight controller to the computer?
Yes, we can connect it. I'm connecting now. Just I'll share the screen.
That's better.
Okay, you guys can see this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I have connected my flight controller to the computer.
Yes, sir.
So you guys can see this part.
Yes,
Like
sir.
a map.
Yes, sir.
Location.
Location.
Yes, this will show the location. And this one, can you tell me what it is?
This will show if it's straight or
Speed.
it will show speed, height, and if it's straight or not.
See, I am just rotating the flight controller. Can you see it's moving in the system also?
Yes, sir. It's moving.
Yes, sir, it's moving.
Yes,
The
sir.
drone is moving.
Okay.
Drone
So
is moving and the speed motor too.
This one you saw in the cockpit, right? The cockpit picture. It was also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one can track if it's going straight, if it's straight or slanted. Slant.
No, you can see here there
Is
two
this a
colors,
game?
Brown,
No.
brown and sky blue color.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in this, the brown indicates the land, and the sky blue indicates the sky.
Sky.
Okay. So just I'll lift the flight controller towards up and see what will happen.
The drone is lifting up and down.
Going up and down.
So when you insert the flight controller to your computer, will this app pop up?
Yes. Like we
No,
have.
but in laptop, will it work?
Yes, it will work in the laptop.
Then how did you connect it to the laptop?
The same USB cable which we use for mobile charging.
Yes, sir.
The same will get connected to the flight controller. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So once we configure that, I'll show here.
So, but how will we see if it's working properly?
Sir, you have
But
used
the flight, if it's how can you track it if it's if the flight controller is not connected to your computer?
Okay, so we will
Sir, you have used some other wire, extra wire, sir. What wire is that?
This one. Which wire you are talking about? This one?
Sir, before
About the
you
back.
stored, right?
That
That drone had a little lesser wires than this, sir.
okay. You are talking about this wire?
The wires connected to this thing. Flight.
It's a receiver wire you're saying?
No, sir, the flight controller wire. With the wires which are attached to the flight controller.
The flight controller to the laptop?
No, sir, the wires which are attached.
Then let me know.
Sir, can I
Okay, you're
leave?
asking about this wire.
No.
I will see the recording.
No, you're saying about this wire.
No, sir. Can I leave? I will see the recording.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Guys, so shall we start this drone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you fit the
Sir, but
GPS?
if the flight controller isn't connected to the laptop, how are you going to
Any extra things
track,
drone?
track it and
Sankalp, I'll clear your doubt. In this,
Sir, did you do?
Sir, can you fit the GPS?
yes, we can fix the GPS, but right now I don't have the GPS here, so I can't show you.
Sir,
But
I have a doubt. If
Yes,
you
yes.
connect the controller to the computer, how will the drone fly?
So just I connected to show you guys that one, or else what we can do, we have this display controller, right? Display one.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have like this for my one big helicopter.
Yes. So Sankalp, you were asking, right? If it is not while flying, it is not connected to the computer.
Sir, what drone controller is this, sir? What remote?
This
What
one.
remote? Yes, sir.
This is Fly Sky FS i6 model.
Sir, can you repeat?
Sir, it is also given with the
Fly?
Fly Sky FS i6.
FSI6.
Yes. And this is also Fly Sky only.
But without the screen.
Without the screen, yes. So this is FS CT6B model.
FSCT?
CT6B.
FSCT?
6B. So this is the basic model of the controller. So see guys, I'll just connect this drone to the battery.
Okay, sir.
So once we connect, all the 4 motors will start beeping. Just have a look.
Sir, how much large are the propellers? What size?
The propeller size is 10 inch.
This much.
No, it's bigger than that. It's 10 inches. So you can see over here the size of the propeller. It is this much big. Can you hear the sound?
Yes, sir. TTT sound like that. Sir,
Why is the drone flying?
Sorry?
Why is it not flying?
Yes. Can I fly this here?
Yes, sir.
No.
No, sir, because there is
fly it in an open area.
you have to fly it in the open area because there are a lot of things in the house.
First, you need to ask permission to the government.
TV.
It shouldn't be near airports.
Yes, exactly. It shouldn't be near airport. It should not be near any buildings. See, this is the big drone. Like yesterday, what you guys built, that is the smaller one, right?
Yes, sir, you can fly it anywhere because there's no camera for it.
Yes, and this one is bigger one. And if this propeller start rotating,
and it can hit you. It can hit you.
It can hit me as well as here. What and all equipments are there? It will destroy everything.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I'll just show you. Can you see the red light over here in the flight controller?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And can you read what it has written over here?
No, sir.
I can't.
Sir, we can't.
1 minute. I'll show you once again. Just
Wait, so this is the this is the completed drone?
Sorry.
Wait, so the drone's finished? Like it's completed?
Yes.
Wow, that's one cool road.
See guys, if you can read now.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, it's not clear,
I
sir.
can see only a blue light.
Sir, can you read it?
It's armed. It's saying armed.
Sir, how did you connect
sir.
the Bluetooth
What does it mean,
Sir,
sir?
can you just say how to connect the Bluetooth device?
Bluetooth device we cannot connect to this because it is not Bluetooth compatible.
Sir, then GPS. Oh yes. Sir, how did you connect the GPS?
Okay.
Sir didn't connect.
I have not
Sir,
connected.
why
the
does it say like arm?
Yes.
Sir,
See,
the screen one remote is also given by this drone kit.
no, all the parts what we have used is purchased separately. Okay, nothing will get in single bundle. We have to purchase each and everything single. So motor we have to purchase it separately. Then ESC, then this propellers, flight controller, everything we have to buy.
So
it
what are
separately.
the claws for?
Sorry,
What are the black round things for?
black round.
Next to the drone?
This one.
No, other side. Those ones, yes.
So why does it say arms?
Yeah, I'll tell you why it says armed. So this is the landing gear. We can use it in the drone. So once we use it, it will look
What is
like
it
this.
called?
This one,
Yes, sir.
landing gear.
Sir, doesn't that help with the landing of the drone?
No, like it depends on us. We can use or else we can't, because see, if I fix it, it will be like this. You can see over here, it looks like this.
Yeah, looks kind of like it will bend down.
Yes, once it touch down, it will land on this.
Sir,
Look, it's kind of like a leg.
sir, you connected.
It looks like a leg too.
Sir, that's all. That's all. The drone.
Sir, sir, you connected. Sir, there's some light in the flight controller, sir.
Yes, exactly. I'll tell you. See, once we switch on this, you heard the beeping noise of the motors, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see any light in the flight controller?
Yes, sir. I can see, sir.
Yes,
White
sir.
light.
A blue
Apart
light.
from this white light, any other?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now,
No.
Red light.
This is a red light.
yes. So once the red light starts coming in the flight controller, that means our drone is ready to fly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So see, we got the red light. I'll just.
Sir, where did you, sir, the red light came?
Yes.
Sir, where did it, sir, how, is the red light another component or the same component of the flight controller?
That is the same component of the flight controller. In the receiver, just I'll give the command to arm like this. Okay. So the light is on.
Yes, sir. The light is on.
Can you see now?
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is.
sir.
Yes, sir. The wings are moving.
Sir, but it's not going very
The
fast
propellers.
actually.
Because I have not given much power.
Yes, sir, it's going fast
Yes, sir.
now.
Now it's going fast. Like we could hear the noise.
Going so fast, but it's not even flying.
Yes, because I
If
am
you
not.
fly, it will hit the things around you.
Yes, exactly. It will hit the things around.
Sir, you connected the yellow, red and brown wires to the flight controller, sir.
Yes.
Where did you connect that from?
In this speed controller, can you see this wire?
Yes, sir. Okay,
That's all, sir. That's
understood,
all.
sir. I understood.
Sir, that's all. The drone.
Yes, this is all the drone.
Sir,
And
I
flying
have
for-
another class, so can I leave?
Yes, you can.
Sir, today is the last class, na?
Yes.
Sir, can I leave?
Yes, you can.
Sir, since the drone's complete, can I leave too?
Yes.
Wait, is it
Is the
finished?
session over?
Can you take it out and fly it?
Yeah, I'll share you the video. I'll share you the video within 5 to 10 minutes in the group.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And,
Hi guys.
Okay, sir.
and-
Bye.
Sorry for interrupting you. So how was the class, guys?
Nice, fantastic, sir.
Oh, that's great to hear. And we really enjoyed teaching you all. And this is our last class, as you all know. So time to say goodbye to all. Hope you have enjoyed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And please do keep doing all technical things, trying to build drones similar to this and fly it. Okay. Enjoy flying.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for the sessions.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
For a wonderful
Thank you, sir.
Guys,
Bye.
hold on. Can we take a picture together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, but half the people left, sir.
It's okay, no problem. We'll take it. So who is going to take a picture?
Me, sir.
You.
Someone open the room lights.
Should I remove my blanket?
Go ahead. Okay, taken, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bye.
Sorry. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Ashish took the picture.
Guys, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, the Bluetooth thing, it will be alone. It will come alone. The Bluetooth thing.
Like you're asking about the
Can you
GPS.
GPS. Yes.
Can you click the picture?
Yes, we'll click it once again. Yes, the GPS will come separately that we can connect it to the flight controller. So in the flight controller, we have separate ports. I'll show you the ports, 1 minute. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, in this port, the flight control, we can put the GPS and camera also. So we have two more ports for this side.
Sir, you have to buy alone camera or you can use the phone.
No, you have to purchase separate camera for the drone. We can't use phone camera.
Sir, so which brand camera do you recommend?
Like it depends on the cost again. Like the starting basic price of the camera starts from 1,200. It goes up to 50,000, 60,000. So it depends on the camera quality as well as the
Okay, sir.
model.
Okay, sir. Thank
See
you,
you,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Thank you, Kevin. Bye. Have a great time.
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, Ryan. Bye,
Sir,
Ashish.
can you click the
Bye,
picture?
sir.
Bye,
Yeah,
sir. Thank you.
already your friends have taken, dear. They will share you. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Bye, dear.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye. Thank you.